On behalf of the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, I would like to welcome you to European Rotors, organized together with our partners, the European Helicopter Association. We are proud and happy to be finally launching this major event in the helicopter and VTOL world. I say finally because the launch, originally planned for last year, had to be postponed due to the pandemic. And even now, we have some knock-on effects from the pandemic, which mean that we cannot have the full presence event we had originally planned. Helicopter operations, particularly HEMS, have gained prominence in recent times because of their role in the pandemic. With health services pushed to the limits in many areas, HEMS was able to play a role which undoubtedly saved lives, transferring patients who needed special attention to different hospitals, or simply leveling out the demand by taking patients to a different area with available beds. This reinforced the importance of the service in a way that will last in the memories of many for years to come. The safety of all rotorcraft operations is a clear focus for our activities at EASA. The agency continues to actively promote safety and engage with the rotorcraft community through our online community platform, which we encourage everyone to join. This provides a forum for sharing of safety promotion materials, such as articles and videos, and allows all interested parties to comment and discuss. We are now 3 years into the EASA Rotorcraft Safety Roadmap, a 10-year plan aimed at improving overall rotorcraft safety by 50%. The agency is working on helping helicopter operators to focus their resources on the most safety-related tasks. As part of the roadmap, an activity was initiated to identify which regulatory requirements currently create an unnecessary administrative burden on operators and national authorities. In September, we published an evaluation report on the administrative burden for small helicopter operators and exchanged views on this with the stakeholders. The group is now taking the most critical elements and feeding them into ongoing rulemaking tasks so adaptations can be made as needed to decrease these burdens for the future. In April, we approved the first virtual reality-based flight simulation training device. Quite apart from the positive environmental implications of such devices, they can offer a significant safety benefit in allowing training in a safe environment for high-risk maneuvers and dangerous scenarios. The suitability of the virtual reality, or more accurately, mixed reality concept, was verified through a training evaluation program involving helicopter pilots from industry and aviation authorities, including flight instructors and test pilots. This evaluation confirmed the suitability of the VR concept for training purposes, even for cases such as auto-rotation, hovering, and slope landing, where the height perception and wide field of view play an important role. Such training devices are more cost-effective, an important factor given the expected increase in demand in coming years for training on helicopters and new VTOL aircraft. For VTOL, we are at a turning point. New technologies are becoming mature and will be ready to enter the market in the next few years. Manufacturers tell us that the first air taxi operations in our cities can be a reality by the mid-2020s. For citizens, urban air mobility will bring the currently rather distant concept of airspace down to ground level in the cities where they live their daily lives. In November last year, we therefore conducted a survey of EU citizens on urban air mobility to help us better understand what concerns they may have about these developments. The survey canvassed the views of around 6,000 citizens in 6 European cities. The results showed that 83% of respondents had a positive initial attitude towards UAM, with 71% ready to try out UAM services such as air taxi services or parcel delivery. Cases in the common interest, such as in emergencies or for medical transportation, received strong unanimous support. Citizens also welcomed the reduction of ground congestion and cleaner air. But they expressed concerns on noise, security and cybersecurity, as well as the impact on wildlife. It was clear also that they expected safety standards for air taxis and drones to meet the high standards seen elsewhere in aviation. For EASA as a regulator, this information is crucial. It will allow us to set up the rules and regulations for this area in a way that is aligned with the expectations and perceptions of citizens. And it will help us to achieve this in a very short time frame to align with the progress being made to develop such aircraft. I wish you all a successful visit to our European Rotors event and hope that next year we will all be able to attend in person. For now, please spend some time with us and enjoy the show.